Guys, today we're going to train shoulders. It's been a couple of days that I've been sick, so I took a rest for some days, and now, well, the sickness is gone, but my nose is half blocked, so I'm going to the gym. It'll heal by tomorrow, I guess. It'll get better by tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the gym. What's up, guys? So we have reached the gym, and we thought I should have trained shoulders, but since those days Bimar tha and I skipped some days, so I thought let's start with chest and shoulders. So both of them I'll do together. And this week I'll change my split a little bit. So I already trained legs on Monday. I already trained legs on last week's Sunday. So I'll start with chest and shoulder today, and we'll go back wise, and after that back and arms, and then again. So yeah, let's get on with this. Not wasting time. So guys, one more set. I'm doing dips for warm, so let's go. One more set. क्या करना है? Push. देख तो आ रहा हूँ मैं. चेहरा नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है. So guys, finally warm up is done, and now we're gonna move on to incline dumbbell press. So see you then. Take a 3 minutes rest and we'll move on. मार साले, उठ के मार. 30. एक है. साइकिल मत ले लेना कोई. चल इजी. कम ऑन. इजी. इजी. चल 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 चल. Come on. Up. Ready. Up. आजा. Lower. Lower. Up. एक और. Last. One more. आजा. Slow. Up. Down. So guys, that's the first set. 30. I went for, I guess, 9-10 reps. So one more set, 35. Let's see how much I can go. So last time I went 5 reps, we'll try for 6 this time. So let's go. Well, I also feel a bit weak due to my sickness. So fortunately my strength hasn't decreased that much. But yeah, so and careful regarding the weights. Because 30s felt a little bit heavy. Well, we'll do something about it. So let's see. Yeah, 35. Let's go. One. Up. 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 One. 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 Come on, aja. Go. Up, 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 up. Aja, come on. Up, up. एक और. Robert. Up. Sexy. So guys, that's it for the incline dumbbell presses, and now, as you know, I'll be moving on to the Smith incline because upper chest grow karna zaruri hai. So 3 minutes rest and we'll move on. Let's go guys. First set. Let's go. Control the weight and up explosively. Right. Go to the front. Lift off. Lift off. Yes. ये रुक जरूर. आगे आएगा. Yes. 3, 2. Let's go. Too much. Oh God. पांच खुद से ना हाँ 5 self, 2 supports. So let's go. Next one I'll go 90. Let's try for 2 self and 2 supports maybe. Let's go. Take a long rest. Let me tell you, be honest, right? I was sick and that's why I'm having loss of breath fast. Guys, take care of your health. The weather is bad. I have dust allergy plus sinus, so it is difficult if I sneeze and my nose gets inside entirely clogged. So be careful guys, take care of your health. Sit, rest, and I'll see you in the next set.
प्रिंट वेंट करा के सब कुछ ठीक से करवा के दे दिया। अब वो थी नहीं वहाँ पे। सुन वो थी नहीं, ठीक है। मैंने किसी और को दे दिया, उसने 10 अलग मिस्टेक सिखा के दिया। जो आया तो आया दिखा। तो फिर अभी उसने बोला कि 2 ऑप्शन है, पूरा ठीक करवा दो या फिर जो
One more set to go.
जिससे करेक्ट किया,
And then we'll move on to isolation exercises, cable flies. Seat cable fly. I like that variation better. So yeah, one more set. I'll take a 3-minute rest again and I'll see you in the next set.
क्योंकि मैंने 3, 2 अबे चल एक और पकड़ 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 मैं डेडलिफ्ट मार रहा हूँ आपको।
So guys, that's it for the presses, and as I'll hit 2 sets of lateral raises now, and we'll be moving on to the isolation exercise for the chest. So yeah, see you there.
Open. Yes. हल्का थोड़ा ओपन कर. Yes. Chal, come on. Give me one.
Up.
Relax. Oh, mate. Get me a bottle of water. That's a safe. Oh, that's a boat. Chal, come on. Clean reps, आजा. Too good. Stretch. बढ़िया. Come on. एक और. Come on.
Posing. So guys, that's it for the workout, and now finally we're gonna move on to posing. So stay tuned. Guys, final pose. So guys, that's it for the workout, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So guys, that's it for today's workout, and I'll see you in the next video. But let's see if I train. No, next is back. So back it is gonna be a special video. It's gonna be a long and special video. So let's see. Come on, we'll train hard, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Get notified about my future updates.